Alright, so today we are doing a partial repair on an existing fence. It's a cedar privacy fence between two neighbors, and the exception here is we're able to match the existing style, even though the style in the Klahani area is no longer available as an option for new fences. You can still use it to match your neighbor's fence. And what we have are 3 sections of fence being replaced, and the posts we're going to have fir rather than the pressure treated, and we're going to have fir for the double rail. So if you see, you have double rail top and bottom, and then we're going to have cedar pickets, and then a 2-inch reveal above the pickets, and then the cap on top of each of the posts. And it looks like everything turned out really well, and hopefully we can continue to provide this service throughout the Klahani area. So give us a call if you need your fence washed, restored, or completely replaced. We'll take care of it.